This is how to factory reset or hard reset. This is a Google Pixel 3, and it's a special case because it has been absolutely destroyed. So let's see if we can get this to reset. So on the Google Pixel 3, we're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. Volume down and power. And it does power on, and it gives us our menus. So we want to use volume keys to scroll down until we find the recovery mode. Rescue mode, recovery mode. Then press OK with power. And then it's going to flash the Google logo, and we're waiting for the No Command Fallen Android. At the No Command Fallen Android, we're going to hold down power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. That brings us to the Android recovery menu for the Google Pixel 3. With the volume keys now, let's scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press OK with power. One more time, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Volume down to choose Factory Data Reset. Press OK with power. And we'll just wait here for a few seconds to a few minutes to get the data wipe is complete. Note, data wipe is complete, and now it is safe to reboot the system. Press OK with power. Keep in mind, if you've set up your Google Pixel 3 with your Google account or your Gmail account, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device security, you will 100% still need to log in with your Google or Gmail account. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.